If you are among those that will write the JAMB this year, 2025, I'm going to guide you in this video. I'm going to guide you on how you are going to fill your JAMB form. How you are going to fill your JAMB form to avoid any error. To avoid any error and any mistake. Many people will always come and say they made a mistake. They want to correct one or two errors. So in this video, I will guide you on how you can correctly fill your JAMB form for the next JAMB exam 2025. So let's look at the last JAMB form, because let's look at the last JAMB form because we'll be needing it as you get ready for your own exam. We are looking at the last JAMB form for you. Okay, here is the JAMB form for last year. We are going to go through it one after the other. Remember, this is for last year. This is just similar to what you'll be seeing this year. This is how you can correctly fill your JAMB form. Number one, you can see the major thing there is your profile code. Your profile code. I'm sure you can see it from the screen. Your profile code. Your profile code is that code you get when you send your NIN number to the code, to the JAMB registration code, which is 55109. So you just write your profile code up there. Then you write your PIN, the JAMB PIN that you bought. Then after writing the JAMB PIN that you bought, you write your surname correctly. Your surname must be written correctly. Also, we recommend that you fill this form with capital letter. You fill this form with capital letter. Okay, then you write your surname, your first name, your middle name, then your date of birth, then your gender. Where this place they said sex, you write your gender. Then your marital status, if you are married or not, you write it there. Your median name, that is if you're already married. Then your previous name if you have. Then you write your GSM number. This GSM number is very important because with this GSM number, you are going to be able to check your JAMB result when it is out. So we always recommend that you use your own GSM number, not your siblings' own, not your parents' own, not anybody's own, but a GSM number you can always have access to. If you don't have one, if you don't yet have a GSM number, it's important now that you are registering for JAMB that you go and get one. Just get a SIM card and write out the GSM number. Then you write your nationality, your nation, of course, Nigeria. Then state of origin, the state you come from, your local government. You should know these things. If you wrote JAMB before and you made changes in your NIN registration, you can now tick yes. But if you did not, if this is your first time writing JAMB, you can just tick no. Remember to watch this video from beginning to the end as we continue to look at the options to tick. If you want me to send you guidance, past questions, and the syllables you need to study in your JAMB for this coming exam, just subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Come under this video and write I have subscribed. Once you write I have subscribed, I will send those materials to you. If you also want me to tell you how you can get this form and how to guide you, just subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials, and I will begin to guide you. Okay, section B is other forms. If you have disability, other information, disability or challenges. Are you blind? If you are not blind, leave it vacant. If you are not deaf, leave it vacant. If you are not dumb, leave it vacant. If you are not an albino, leave it vacant. If you are lame, leave it vacant. Others. So if there is none, You just come to none and tick. Then you write your email address. Email address is so important because even while you are in school and when you will graduate, when you start processing your graduation, your N.H.S and all the rest, JAMB will still be communicating with you through your email address. So ensure that it's your personal email address. If you don't have email address, kindly just go to gmail.com and register and open an email address. It's just very free. Okay, remember, it should be an email that you can always remember. You remember the title of the email and your password. So password should be something you can always remember. You write your contact address, which could be your address where you live. Then preferred state of exam. Which state do you want to stay and write the exam? The town in that state you write. Do you want to JAMB to send you mock? You can tick yes or no. The state you want to stay, not the main exam, or you know what is mock exam. The state you want to stay and the town, okay? Then the second to the last area of the form is choice of institution. Very important. Where do you want to study? Which school do you want to study? First choice is often a university, except if you don't want to get a degree. First choice, you write the name of the institution very well. Then the name of the program you want to study. You need to be sure of the program you intend to study. Second choice, you write the name of the institution and the name of the program you want to study. Third choice, you write the name of the program, the institution, the name of it could be University of Lagos, it could be IMSI, it could be ESUT, Enugu State University of Science and Technology. It could be any institution. It could be Polytechnic, IMT, and all the rest. If you have questions on this, if you don't know whether the institution you have is going to be offering the course you want to study, just subscribe to our YouTube channel, come under this video and ask me your question. Then just fill out the form, okay? Then you need to write out the subjects you are going to be writing for JAMB. Remember, those subjects, those 4 subjects must tally with the course you want to study. There should be 4 subjects. See, the use of English is mandatory. Then you write if it is chemistry, physics, biology, or CRS, literature, government, depending on the course. If you are confused, you can ask me. Then the last stage should be your O-level result. Your O-level result, that is your WAEC result, your NECO result, or your GCE result, or sometimes also NAPTEP. Name of the school you attended. The name of the school you attended should be the name on the WAEC result. Maybe you wrote your WAEC in a different school from the school you have been attending. The name of the institution you attended should be the name of that particular school you sat your WAEC in. Then number of sittings. Did you get all your 9 subjects? Did you clear it once? If it's once, you write 1. If it's twice, you write 2, as the case may be. Then you write the subject. There are about 9. Write the subject, write the grade you got, indicate if it is WAEC, NECO, or NAPTEP that you wrote. Then school is, if school, you can see here school or private. If you wrote it as a student, that is, you wrote normal WAEC or normal NECO, you can write school. But if you wrote it as GCE, WAEC GCE or NECO GCE, you write private. Then the year you wrote it and the exam number. That is the way you will fill the E part of the form. Then the other part is not for you to fill. I'm sure you got what I said. Remember, profile code, when you send your NIN to 55109 through your SIM card, you generate a profile code. Then you buy a pin. That JAMB pin you normally buy will be there. You fill, that is section A. Section B, basically your email address, your address, and the time, place you want to write your exam. Section C is the institution you want to write the exam in. Section D is UTME subjects, the subjects you are going to be writing in JAMB. Then section E is your O-level result, WAEC, NECO, or NAPTEP result. Then finally, you can just write your name, supply the above information. You will now sign your signature and the date. If you are confused in any way, please go ahead and ask me in the comment section. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. Share this video to your classmates and your friends so that they will also learn. Thank you.